Your heart could literally power a truck. Sounds impossible. Let's do the math. Every heartbeat pumps about 70 milliliters of blood, and your heart beats roughly 100,000 times a day. That's 7,000 liters of blood daily. The pressure it generates is strong enough to squirt blood 30 feet if the arteries were open. That's about 2.5 horsepower continuously. In short, your chest is a biological engine running non-stop for decades without ever needing a shutdown. So next time you feel your pulse, remember, that's raw mechanical power in action. Your body isn't just alive, it's a machine of pure energy. For more shocking biology facts like this, subscribe. I've got dozens that'll blow your mind.